Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And we are where, Shirley?
We're in Lafayette, Louisiana, and we're actually in a small historic area called Vermilionville, where it was a sugarcane farm and many things in history. It's a very historic place, and we'll take you around to see it.
Definitely. It's a French village, and they have all the homes open, and we had an amazing lunch with gumbo and pork chop and rice. And Shirley had, what did you have, Shirley?
I had a potato smothered in crawfish and sausage, and then I had smothered okra, and it was very southern.
Yes, it was. And don't forget the bread pudding.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're in the heart of Cajun country.
Let's go explore this place.
Okay, let's go.
Tell me about what you're doing.
Okay, let's start over. This is some cotton, the white cotton, and it's been chewing. The seeds were taken out. And what I'll do is part a little bit of it, and that just gets the fibers going all in the same direction. And it takes about a year to make a shirt.
Wow.
Yes, it's a little time consuming. I rather spin than weave though, so. And then with this, I should get a couple of yards of thread. So what I'm going to do is put the two ends together, and it twists through my fingers, and it makes the thread.
So folks, we're going to go out through this door right here.
This is strong, and this is still very soft.
Yeah, that is
And it
super
takes
cool.
about 50 hours to make a ball about this size, and I need about 6 to make a shirt. You're welcome. Thank y'all.
6 balls?
6 balls, 300 hours to make enough thread for one shirt.
Wow.
Then after all the thread is made, I bring it to the loom and make the fabric. Simple.
Simple. Anybody could do it.
Anybody can. Yeah.
Crosscut saw, okay? And the reason I know about this is that my ancestors settled Canada in the 1600s in Quebec. And my grandfather, when he got angry, his cuts would be Maudit de crosscut saw. And that it would be like saying goddamn crosscut saw. And that's how my grandfather would swear. Grandfather had a bathtub like this.
Cool.
That's the ass you should have taken a picture of, not mine.